Today we're going to showcase our interactive flat panel technology. We're going to talk about three big features. First one being cloud whiteboard. So we have Easy Write software for cloud whiteboard. We got classroom care for CO2, germ-resistant screens, and low blue light. And then we have X-Sign Broadcast, which is your broadcasting feature. Cloud Easy Write, which is a cloud whiteboard, so you can collaborate with your remote collaborators, and you can also record your sessions. And then Classroom Care is all about your health. BenQ being the most caring brand out there. We have embedded CO2 sensors into the panel. We got germ-resistant screens, which kills the bacteria. We got low blue light, which is good for your eyes. And we got anti-flicker-free technology, which is good for your visibility. Then we got X-Sign Broadcast, which is a broadcasting system. It complements your PA systems. If you would like to know more about our products, visit our website at www.benq.com.au.